Hi, I'm Jim Hogan with All Grip. We are your #1 solution for finishes for your vessel.
Whoa, wait. I'm Jason Benedict with Interlux Yacht Finishes. We are the #1 paint supplier for the marine industry. And you're watching Fridays at Foster's.
Never mind him, you're watching Fridays at Foster's.
Another week. Today we're checking out the boat show, guys, and what we're going to do here, as you can see, we got the Bahia Hotel behind us over here. We're going to go in the entrance over here. We're going to check out on some of our own clients. We're going to kind of see what new products they got available for the yachts and stuff like that, and go in there and see what's available. And a lot of our brokers and surveyors and owners are going to be here looking for different boats and for different products as well. So follow me here. We'll go check it out.
And I'm here too. The marketing guy.
Oh, the marketing guy.
He's here.
Let's go.
We're here at the Seakeeper booth, so I'm going to let Chase give us a little 2 101s on here real quick. And Chase, tell us how this works real quick.
Yeah, most definitely. So what you see here, so this is simulating as if the boat were in rough seas without having a Seakeeper on board, and actually the Seakeeper being locked would be the same conditions. What we'll do next is give it a good rock, release the gyro. Whenever you release the gyro, it processes fore and aft, also releasing the angular momentum, which counteracts the boat roll.
So in simple terms, your boat is not going to rock when you're rocking a Seakeeper. Is that right?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, we've installed a few of these too. We're actually got another one coming over here we're going to do. Don't get the wrong idea.
Not gonna lie, kind of
How many people have gone in there and washed their hands?
Exactly.
Yeah.
It just looks like it's pooping. It's pooping ice.
That tastes pretty good. Can I have another one? Yeah. All right, so what we got here, guys, we're at the Fort Lauderdale boat show. We just got on the dock over here. So what you're going to see here is a lot of the manufacturers showcasing their boats. And here you got Mangoose, you got different manufacturers over there. As you go down this way, you're going to see a lot of the brokerage boats, used boats for sale that are brokeraged through a broker. And so a lot of people either trading in boats or they want to buy a used boat that's their style. A lot of the names of these boats, like you're going to see Katera, Sunny, Namaste, Solo 2, they're either a saying or something that means something to them, a combination of their daughters or their wife. So if you ever see like Lady Linda, or you'll see, you know, the other woman, there's all kinds of different names for the boat. So they're really something special that means something to the owner. They're handpicked, they're just not thrown on there. So what we got here is we ran into Matt from Merritt Marine over here. You can see he's already drenched in sweat, and he's got Travis behind him, who was smart enough to wear a black shirt to a sunny event.
He wasn't
as
sure
you
he
know
was
that. And so these are our suppliers. We get a lot of the products off of fiberglass materials and everything. So I'm going to let them continue getting sweaty, and we're going to go the opposite way, facing against the sun.
Nicely done.
I think I'm a lot better looking. Behind me is a different type of yacht we don't typically deal with. What you're going to see here is the Shadow Marine expedition boat. You can look at the size of that damn crane over there. It's really a work boat. They go on expeditions. And so you can see they got all different kinds of boats and equipment and dive gear. So this is set up to go out for months at a time at sea and do expeditions out at sea. It's a really different type of boat that we don't see a lot. So it's very, very interesting when you're at the show.
This is the same boat that they used to discover the Titanic. So here we are, we're over here at the haul out. This is Lady Coke. This is one of our vessels that we do a lot of work on. Right now we're coming out for an emergency repairs. We're going to be changing out the through hulls on all the mains, the generators, anything that has penetration to the bottom of the boat. That's our intent, to change those out. And possibly, if the bottom needs to be painted, we're going to do the bottom. Yeah. Well, what's going on down here with the diver down there? He's positioning the straps in the correct orientation so it can be lifted. There's other equipment that's down below the boat. There's stabilizer fins and through hulls and some other equipment down there that needs to be, the straps need to be out of the way of those pieces, because if they start lifting, it could penetrate through the hull and cause damage.
So it's been a great end of the week. The boat show was great, productive. I liked it, except for the rain on Sunday. All the projects are going good, and I think Barron is actually applying the new molded non-skid on one of our projects. Let's go check that out.
Fred, all you gotta do is just maintain a bubble. You'll see a fluid bubble in front, and just keep pouring slowly to maintain that bubble. That's all we're going for. Make sure it it'd fill right up in there. Yeah. We don't want to get air bubbles into any of these molded sections. It'll transfer into it'll print through. And yeah, consistent. Really, what we're looking for is just a consistent bubble of gel coat as we push along. We're actually going to leave some of it in the sides. It maintains a vacuum of suction because we have the 2% shrinkage, which will draw off the tape and that potentially pull away from the mold.
You ask the question, you're getting the technical response. You see that?
Oh man, they got that 10 times over. So Baron and the team have got all that things taken care of, and I'll see you next Friday at Foster's.